In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an opt-in form with Aweber. Once you are logged into your Aweber account and you are in the main dashboard, start by going to the Pages and Forms section. From there, click on Sign Up Forms. This is where Aweber keeps all of your opt-in forms, and it is the place you will return to later if you ever need to edit your design or settings. Next, click Create a Sign-Up Form and then choose For My Website. This option is meant for forms you will embed on your own site, such as in a sidebar, a landing page, or a footer area. Now you will see a library of templates. Take a moment to pick one that matches your brand and layout. You can always customize it later, so focus on selecting a design that is close to what you want. When you have chosen your template, click Load Template to open it in the form editor. In the editor, update the fields on your form. Typically, you will at least want a name field and an email field, but you can adjust what you collect based on your needs. Keep your form simple to improve signups, and make sure the text clearly explains what subscribers will receive. When your fields and wording look right, click Save Your Form. After saving, click Go to Step 2. Here you will enter a form name. Use a name that helps you recognize where the form will be used, especially if you plan to create multiple forms. Then select a thank you page. This is the page people will see after they submit the form, so choose the option that best fits your follow-up plan. Click Save Your Form again, and then go to Step 3. In this final part, make sure the form is saved, then select I will install my form. Aweber will provide code you can place on your website. Copy either the JavaScript snippet or the raw HTML. JavaScript is often easier for most sites, while raw HTML can be helpful if you want more direct control. Finally, paste the code into your website editor where you want the opt-in form to appear, then save and publish your changes. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.